In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI music tools to grow your brand as a producer. Before you open a single plugin, lock in your identity. Choose the genres you want to serve, the vibe you want people to feel dark, luxury, emotional, aggressive, the audience you're targeting, and your long term vision. AI amplifies clear direction, it doesn't replace it. Next, use AI to create more music faster. Lean on AI MIDI generators, chord helper plugins, chat assistants for progressions, and AI drum tools to spark patterns. Draft ideas quickly, then customize with your own sound selection, arrangement, swing, and mix decisions. Aim for a steady release cadence on platforms like YouTube, BeatStars, and TikTok. More output means more visibility, but your signature tag, textures, and transitions should make each beat unmistakably yours. Strong visuals strengthen your sound. Use image models such as Midjourney or Leonardo for cover concepts, and tap Canva's AI features for thumbnails and promo graphics. Build a simple style guide, a consistent color palette, a recognizable cover layout, and clean typography. When people scroll, they should know it's you before hearing a note. Automate your content strategy. Let AI generate Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, beat titles, hashtags, and email promos in batches. Block one session to plan 1 to 2 weeks, then schedule. Keep prompts anchored to your tone so the voice stays consistent. Short form video is your discovery engine. Try quick ideas like making a beat in 30 seconds, AI versus human comparisons, loop breakdowns, or behind the scenes creation. Use AI to outline scripts, punch up hooks, and brainstorm angles. Lead with your strongest 8 seconds and finish with a clear call to action. Turn workflow into products. With AI assisting, build loop kits, MIDI packs, drum kits, presets, or beat bundles. Then spin up product descriptions, cover art, and concise sales copy. Include essentials like BPM, key, file formats, and a short demo. Speed plus quality unlocks more revenue streams. Improve client communication. Use AI to draft professional emails, collaboration proposals, contracts, and quick replies. Save the best versions as templates and tailor them. Be clear about rates, delivery timelines, and revision policies to build trust. Finally, position yourself as an AI-enhanced producer, modern, innovative, and future-focused. Share that you use AI to accelerate ideas while your taste and experience shape the final result. That clarity attracts artists who want cutting-edge sound and reliable delivery. Put this plan into motion today. Define your brand, speed up creation, sharpen visuals, automate content, publish short-form,